Hello friends, I'm back with another recipe, and this time it is the famous Bengali Rahu Fish Curry. It is highly nutritious and packed with vegetables and fish. So let's move to my must kitchen to prepare Machher Jhol. Of your choice, I have taken one small sized potato, few brinjal pieces, 4 flat beans, few pumpkin pieces and few cauliflower pieces. Fish when oil is really hot. Fry till golden brown. Fry both the sides, flipping the fish in between. See, the color has become golden brown. You can reduce the flame from high to medium. Mix it well. And you may add little mustard oil to enhance the flavor of Rahu Fish Curry. Cover again. Turn off the flame and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. If you like the recipe, if you like my videos, then please be with me by subscribing my channel.